Dispatch.
Hi, my name is Alex. I am with AAX Alarm. I'm dispatching. I have an individual at the back lot.
Live camera footage, is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. Area that he's at?
Yeah, he's in between like the sports cars that have like a black stripe. He's wearing a blue zip-up black pants.
Shotcon 127.
Okay, it looks like they're out with him, so I'll go ahead and disconnect with you. Thank you so much for staying on the line.
Okay, appreciate you.
Shotcon 127.